Hey, what's going on, guys? Phil here from Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube. We stopped out at ReadyLift to learn a little bit more about them, so now we're going to tell you the 5 things you probably didn't know about ReadyLift Suspension. So ReadyLift was started right around 2005, and they actually were really well known for their leveling kits like the billet aluminum one I have here, because they make a ton of these things and they ship them all over the country. And then ReadyLift needed to find a solution for the people that they didn't want a leveling kit, but they didn't want to get a big giant lift kit, and they didn't want to do a whole bunch of cutting on their truck, so they came out with something called the SST kits. So basically it's similar to like a level lift, where the front gets you about as high up as you can go without ruining all your angles, and in the back they give you some blocks too to bring that truck up without having to go to like an extreme height. But they still offer a ton of other products like these awesome heavy-duty upper control arms, and the kits ranging up to like 9 inches for your GM 1500 truck. So they just have something for everybody out there with all year, makes, and models. So the second thing you might not know about ReadyLift is they actually offer a lot of kits that require no cutting, and that's going to be the SST kit that I talked about before. So almost every single one of these is coming with upper control arms and basically all the components you need to really push the boundaries. So ReadyLift uses precise engineering to make sure that they can get you as high as possible without ruining your angles and still giving you a decent ride quality. So that's where the SST kit comes into play. So the third thing you might not know about ReadyLift is they actually offer lift kits for your wife's car. So you can now lift your Subaru Outbacks, your Toyota RAV4s, the Highlander, and Nissan Rogue, all those crossover type vehicles, and that's something that we haven't seen from a lot of other companies, so that is really neat. And don't take the wife comment personally, there's plenty of dudes who drive those crossovers too. So the fifth really nice thing about ReadyLift is they actually offer a warranty on top of like what your factory warranty would be. So it's 5 years and 60,000 miles. It's called their ReadyGuard program. Basically what that means is if you bring your truck in and you've got some issue with like your CV axle or something like that, and the dealership says, we're not touching it because it's lifted, the ReadyGuard kicks in and then you're covered. So the fifth thing that we really love about these ReadyLift kits is just the sheer size that they're offering. So this is a 9-inch lift on this GM 1500, and basically they're like the only ones on our website right now. If you come out to customoffsets.com and you're looking for a 9-inch lift, you're only gonna find ReadyLift. Sure, there's those other guys that are offering a 7 to 9, but it's adjustable, which means if you crank that sucker up to 9, you're gonna risk sacrificing your ride quality. So those are the 5 things that you probably didn't know about ReadyLift Suspension. If you guys have any other questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, or check out our website at customoffsets.com/lifts. And I'm sorry about the lack of exhaust that's about to happen, but we're in California and they care about emissions.